Viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how to connect your RDFIT smartwatch to your phone, to being able to make calls and being able to receive notification, and then being able to play music and other stuff that you need to do. Okay, first we have to go to Google Play Store if you're using an Android, or go to Apple Store if you're using an iPhone, and then download this app called RDFIT app. So this is it. And if you didn't have this pack to being able to scan the QR code and download it, or if you didn't find it, you can easily go to the smartwatch, go to the settings, and then click on look for where they said connect. So you can easily scan this code and being able to download the application on your phone. So first you have to search for RDFIT. Search for it and then download it. So I've already downloaded it, so we just have to proceed to connect the smartwatch to our phone. So first we have to make sure that we fully charge our smartwatch, and this is how to charge your smartwatch. This Z59 comes with a wireless charger. So you see it charges. So when you charge, it can show you the percentage of the battery, and from here you can be able to go to the menu and being able to switch the wallpaper to the wallpaper of your choice, and you can easily customize your wallpaper screen. I'm going to show you all that on this tutorial video. So first we have to just click on agree. So we'll click on agree. We have to proceed to where they right here the right device. So when we can right here the right device, what we need to do is to scan the device. So to scan the device, just kindly click, and they will show you, they will direct you to being able to click on next, so that you can scan the device and connect to the via Bluetooth, and then give the location permission and just click on next, and then click on allow using the app. Click on allow, then click on scan again, then click on next. They will say turn on your Bluetooth. So you need to turn on your Bluetooth, so make sure that your Bluetooth is on. So I've already turned on my Bluetooth now. So you can see the smartwatch. See, this is the smartwatch right here. You see Z59, and this is it, Z59. So we have to kindly connect this smartwatch. Just click on done, click on scan. When you click on scan, you can easily find it here, right here. It will start connecting. You see, it's connecting. So you see it's signing together. So you have to click on pair. So you see that the time of the smartwatch have automatically set. You have corresponded with the time on the phone. You see the time on the phone right up here is 11, and you can see it's 11:36. So the time have automatically set, and what we need to do next is just to go back to the app. So from the app we can easily see the battery percentage, and you can see that the battery is charging. You see, so when I remove this, let's say I remove this charger from it, you see that it has stopped charging. No charging sign again. You understand? So it's showing that the battery percentage is 55%. So what we need to do next is to enable this notification, so that we can be able to receive calls and SMSs from our WhatsApp, Facebook, any of our social media platform. So click on here and come right here to give the app the permission to send notifications. See notification access, just giving the notification access, and then come right here and enable calls and phone and calls and contacts. So you have to enable allow. So after doing that, just tap on it again. Don't click on all, because maybe you may decide not to want to be receiving a lot of notifications on your watch. So just enable the important ones. You can enable SMS, allow, so that your message, you can easily read it right on a smartwatch. When you click right here, you can just go to message inbox. Right here you can read. You see no message have come into this phone. That's why it's saying no message for now. So we can go on WhatsApp, enable WhatsApp, enable Messenger, enable Facebook if we want, so enable Snapchat if we want, but I've already enabled the important ones that I need. So after doing that, you just have to go back. So you have already automatically enabled, understand? So let's go to find my phone. You can find my smartwatch. From here, when you click here, you can see that the smartwatch is vibrating, so you can easily use the phone to find the smartwatch, and also you can easily use the smartwatch to find the phone. In case you are looking for your phone, you can just click right here, start. You see the phone is ringing, showing that it's searching for the phone, and the phone is ringing. So in case your phone is missing and you want to find it, you can easily use the mobile app of this smartwatch to be able to find. You can be able to use this smartwatch to find your phone. As long as the phone is connected to the smartwatch via Bluetooth, you can easily be able to use this particular smartwatch to find your phone. And the same thing, you can also be able to use the phone to find a smartwatch in case you misplace it. So let's proceed on this. Click on enable camera, so that you can be able to remotely control your phone camera. So if I enable this, when I come right to the smartwatch, I can easily be able to remotely control my phone camera. You understand? So tap here. You see, as you can see, so you can easily remotely. So let me see. So this is it. I can tap here now and I will take picture. You see, I've already took picture. So as you can see, I can easily be able to remotely control my phone camera from the smartwatch. So after doing that, what you need to do next is to be able to set your drink reminder if you want, and then make medication reminder. So you can set the time you want to. You can click here, add the time you want to take medication, and this is the time reminder alarm, and this motion gesture. So you can easily be able to set this, enable this, and then screen time duration. You can easily set if you want it 10 minutes to the screen to get dark after 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes or 25 minutes. You can easily set that and click on OK. So after doing that, you have this do not disturb mode, and you also have updates, weather, contact. So from here, you can easily be able to add contact. So click here, you can easily add contact, import contact into your smartwatch, so that you can be able to call people directly from your smartwatch. You understand? So when you just go to contact, you can easily be able to call people. You can see contact. You click on contact. The contact you import, let's say add contact, or it said import contact. Let's say import contact. You can easily just mark some contacts, and you can see. Let me show you guys example now. Save. So I've saved it. Let me go to contact. As you can see, all the contacts have been added. You see. So, and from here I can easily call anybody from here. Let's say I want to call my number. Let me just show you guys an example of what I'm trying to do. So I can easily be able to call anybody from this smartwatch app. So let me show you guys something. So we have to enable this call notification by going to the settings. We'll go to the settings of the Bluetooth. Let me show you guys what we need to enable here. So this call, so click on it and pair, so that when the call is coming on the smartwatch, you can see that the call will come directly. You understand? So if we want to call now, let me show you guys something. Let's say I want to call now. Let me try to call now. Let me show you something now. See, I can easily call now. You see, I can easily call. So you see, so you can hear, you can see. So this is it. And anybody calls, if anybody calls me now, I can easily be able to receive the call, because I've already enabled this, and some people don't know how to easily do that on their smartwatch. From here you can easily set up your profile. Just set up your profile from here. If you want, just click on personal information, then input your details, your weight, your height, and some other stuff that you need. Understand? Then on the settings from here, you can easily keep permissions and do other settings from here. And from here, from this whole screen, you can be able to check your blood temperature. Understand? You can be able to check your blood temperature from here. And from here, you can also be able to change your wallpaper. Let me show you guys how to do that. Your wallpaper, you can easily be able to customize it right from here, and you click on customize, then click on change background, and then select from your phone, select from album. So let me choose this, click. So when you click on this now, you click on mark. When you click right here and click on right on, or click up here. When you click up here now, it will start importing immediately, and it will take some time to finish. So install the dye. So we click on install the dye now, it will start transferring. You see, you have start transferring. Understand? So it will take some few seconds or minutes. Then when you count up to 100%, you will transfer successfully. So this is on how you can be able to customize your smartwatch interface, which is the wallpaper. To be able to do that, you just select your favorite photo that you want to use as the wallpaper, and you can easily be able to use it to make it to be your wallpaper. You understand? So let's just wait a bit for it to load out. So even when you minimize your phone, it's still, you're still going. So let me look for music on this phone, because I don't think this one have no. You see, so this is the picture that we just added. As you can see, you see, so this is it. So if we go back to the menu now, let me show you. If you want to change it, you can still change it. If you want to come back to it, you can still come back to that your customized wallpaper. See, you see, so that's how it works. Understand? And from this, you can just being able to go to the menu, and then if you want to minimize this, if you want to bring it up. So I want to download music on this phone now and show you guys the sound of this smartwatch. You see? So it's playing. I can pause it. I can restart it again. You see? This is speaker. It's very loud. Let me lower it. You see? You see? Alright, because I've already enabled the. So if I want to read this message now, just pause the music. I pause the music. Let me just go back to Facebook now and show you guys this message that just arrived. You see, I can easily delete it if I want. See the message? Can easily delete it if I want. So this is it. If you find this video very helpful and informative, please kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and see you guys on my next video. Peace out.